Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so the service will run. Sign into your Microsoft account and join Xbox Game Pass Ultimate if required. This unlocks cloud access. Make sure you're on Windows 10 or 11, or use Chrome or Edge. Those platforms are supported. Check your connection speed. Aim for at least 5 Mbps, but 1020 Mbps gives a much smoother experience. Finally, pair a controller now so you won't interrupt setup later. Once done with the basics, open the Xbox app or go to the cloud gaming page in your browser. Sign in if you haven't already, then choose the Cloud Gaming tab. This lists titles you can stream instantly. You'll see statuses like Ready to Play, pick a game, and click Play. Allow any required permissions for microphone or inputs, and then select your controller or keyboard. Streaming begins on remote hardware, so make sure your local input mapping is correct before launching. To finish, tweak streaming quality in the Xbox app or browser settings to balance latency versus image quality. Lower quality reduces lag. Prefer Ethernet or a close 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection to cut latency and packet loss, and close bandwidth-hungry apps. If streaming fails, sign out and back in, restart your router, or try another browser or device. These simple resets often clear connection or authentication glitches. If the controller isn't responsive, repair it and relaunch the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.